Hey everyone, and welcome to a pivotal moment in your health journey. Imagine a life where you're not just hoping to stay healthy, but where you're actively building a strong defense against illness. Imagine a body that fights off common colds and even stands strong against serious threats. This isn't a dream, it's a reality you can achieve. Introducing the Boost Your Immune System Guide. I'm here to introduce you to the Boost Your Immune System Guide, a life-changing resource that will reshape your wellness routine. Forget about fleeting health fads. This guide is a deep dive, combining science and practical tips to empower your body's natural defenses. What you'll gain: science-backed insights. Learn how your immune system works and discover evidence-based methods to improve its function. Unlock the power of food. Uncover the secrets of superfoods and essential nutrients that fuel your immune cells, giving them the strength to fight infections. Master stress management. Discover the surprising link between stress and immunity, and learn practical ways to reduce stress and create a calm mind that supports a resilient body. Essential oil power. Explore the world of aromatherapy and how specific essential oils can not only uplift your mood, but also strengthen your immune response. We know that building a strong immune system can seem overwhelming, but with our Boost Your Immune System Guide, it's easy. We offer an accessible ebook, engaging videos like this one, and helpful audio files, all designed to fit your learning style. Glide through the content at your own pace, and start making simple changes that lead to big health benefits. Knowledge is power. We believe knowledge should be accessible. We want to empower you with pure, life-enhancing knowledge that you can use to transform your health. Ready to take action? Why wait? Don't let your health wait another day. Click the link below right now in the description to invest in your well-being. Secure your copy of Boost Your Immune System today. Unlock the secrets to a strong body and join a community of people who are taking charge of their health. Remember, tomorrow isn't guaranteed, but by taking action today, you can build a future filled with vitality and well-being. Join us, and let's thrive together.